Hey everyone, this is Mike from Mike's Do It Yourself. Today I want to show you how to clean out your toilet tank. And what I mean by cleaning out your toilet tank is cleaning the black mold out of it. And then you'll want to take a cup of white vinegar and go ahead and just pour it all in your tank here along the sides and all around. So we'll let that set for about 5 minutes and then we'll come back to it. After about 5 minutes, you want to go ahead and take your scrub brush or small toothbrush and just clean up the edges and any areas that you see black mold, and that vinegar will help dissolve them.